Hello everyone, I'm Scoliosis Cosplays, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial because you guys wanted to know how I make moving jaws. So I'm going to be teaching you guys today, and you guys are going to listen because you've been asking for this, so quit bugging me about it. Here are the materials you're going to need: metal brads that fan out on the side, some elastic, hot glue and a glue gun, soft fabric to rest your chin on, and some cardboard and scissors. Forgot to say scissors. First, just make a base like this. This is relatively easy, so, just copy what I did and just make sure it fits your head. And you should be able to go on this step. This is the easiest step. Next, you try to measure your sides and put 2 pieces of cardboard on the sides where you're, on the side of your jaw. If they're a little long, cut them so they go to the bottom of your jaw, like this. Poke a very small hole on each of the sides, like this small, just so the brads don't slip through. Next, you just have to make this shape, the shape of your jaw. That's really easy. Make sure there's stuff that comes out on the sides, though. It's a big thing. Alright, so next you just, again, drill holes in the sides, but it's really, really important that you line them up. So, yeah, just like that, just like I'm showing you here. Next, you line up the holes with the holes in the actual headpiece, and then you just put a brad through them and make sure the brad is put out just like that. And it should just be able to move. If it's not, yeah. You can cut off the little edge pieces too. I know some people like to keep them, but yeah. Forgot to say, I added my fabric just to make it so it hurts less, but you don't have to add that, but I like adding it because it feels better. Next, last step, add the elastic on the sides just like I did. Make sure they're tight so they will snap back but make sure they're on tight too. They don't want you to snap you. Ignore my 3rd-degree burn on my arm, but yeah, it should just be like that. Try it on, and then you just build your cosplay right over it. Easy peasy.